In Tonight with Boybot, Abuda, I'm sure nakarating sa'yo na may photos of Gerald and Kim na lumabas na in a party daw na medyo close.
Talaga? Ay, hindi ko napanood. Nagtataping ako.
Gusto mong makita yung photos?
Hindi naman.
Okay yun. Kasi anyway, there's a party and they were parang
ayun yata yung...
hawak yan. Ayun. What's your reaction to that? Kasi medyo tahimik kayo din siya ngayon and yet photos are coming out.
Anong gusto niya?
Ano lang gusto mong reaction? Ano, may i-react ka ba doon sa mga photos na medyo close na sila ulit doon sa...
Hindi, di ba parang maganda nga yung nagkakasundo sila doon sa show nila because parang you don't expect these two people not to get along and do a project together. Of course, you expect them to be friends again and get along again. Kung may moment ba na, hindi ko, actually wala akong alam kung may moment ba na hindi sila naging okay, hindi ko alam eh. But, pero maganda naman na nagkakasundo sila.
And you're not one to doubt Gerald about anything na pwedeng gawin.
No naman.
Diba?
Tsaka parang wala pa kami dun sa stage na parang, hindi ka pwedeng, ayun parang hindi naman.
So you're taking things slowly para mas stable ba? Or para to last?
Tsaka hindi naman ako ganong klaseng tao na nag-speculate agad ng mga bagay-bagay na para sa akin kasi kung ano yung ipinapakita ng tao, yun yung importante. Parang, and I know he's a very trustworthy person. So
you trust him enough na hindi ka nasasabi?
Hindi, tsaka wala pa kami sa stage na parang, bawal mong gawin to, bawal. Tsaka hindi ako ganong klaseng tao. Hindi ako nag-jump into conclusion.
Ayaw mo magpaligaw this year? After
Grabe
what
ang
happened
tagal
last
this
year?
year.